This is Tom Holland, and why he believes his diet matters more than the gym. For him, results come down to one simple rule: 80% diet, 20% training. You can train hard, but if the food isn't right, nothing changes. He tries to eat clean and stay disciplined, but constant travel makes cooking routines difficult. Still, eating healthy rather than dieting is a major part of staying in shape. When he says a healthy amount of vegetables, he means a lot. Breakfast is fast and simple: porridge with fruit and nuts, plus a shake. The berries provide fiber, the nuts supply fats, and the oats deliver long-lasting energy. Lunch is usually skipped unless he's bulking. He rarely eats it. Dinner is where he's lucky. His brother Sam is a talented chef, so most nights he eats whatever Sam has cooked: bao buns, roast dinners, or chicken vindaloo. His body naturally loses weight if he doesn't train and eat, so maintaining size takes real effort. That's why cheat meals actually help. He's also a sucker for In-N-Out. No fries. He says they taste like cardboard. Supplements depend on his goals. Right now, it's creatine, protein, and a morning shake filled with vitamins and minerals. His favorite carb is potatoes, in any form. His favorite proteins are cod and chicken. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more.